Making viral thumbnails doesn't have to be hard, especially when you've got AI on your side. Today I'm sharing 5 free tools to design killer thumbnails in just a few clicks. Stick around, this is going to change your YouTube game. Step 1. Stable Diffusion Web. First up, we have Stable Diffusion Web. This is a powerful AI tool that creates highly detailed and professional looking art from text prompts. Type something like, a bold, colorful thumbnail with glowing text and a futuristic background. And let Stable Diffusion do the magic. It's completely free and great for generating unique elements to add to your thumbnails. Step 2. Canva's AI Image Generator. Next is Canva's AI Image Generator, a simple and user-friendly tool for creating graphics. Canva lets you generate images directly in its design platform. Choose the thumbnail template, enter your text prompt, and watch as Canva gives you beautiful ready-to-use designs. It's perfect for beginners and also offers editing tools to add extra flair. Step 3. Leonardo.ai. Third, we have Leonardo.ai, an AI tool built for creatives. Leonardo gives you access to advanced style options and customization, so your thumbnails look exactly how you imagine. Want an anime style design or a comic book feel? Just describe it, and Leonardo will generate it in seconds. Step 4. Vivago.ai. Fourth is Vivago.ai, a lightweight AI that's perfect for simple and clean designs. It's ideal if you want minimalist thumbnails with bold text and strong focus points. Just describe your idea, and Vivago will create a polished professional thumbnail in no time. Step 5. Kera.ai. Finally, there's Kera.ai, a tool that specializes in creating thumbnails with attention-grabbing text. This is perfect if you want your titles to pop. Just input your text, pick a background, and Kera.ai ensures your design is clear and eye-catching. And there you have it. 5 amazing AI tools to create viral thumbnails. Each one has its unique strengths, so try them all and see which works best for you. Let me know in the comments which tool is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.